Lord have mercy. A little bit spooked and on edge this morning. I had to come investigate this. I put some game cameras up on the back side of the property to see what's, moving around out here. Oftentimes late at night, I'll be going to the shed or outside doing something around the camper, maybe sitting by the fire, and you think you hear something down in the woods, or maybe you think you see something. Now my neighbor, she saw a bear, and she's got a picture of it, and I'll put it in this video. So I went and got the SD cards and had a look through them. I think I might want to be a little bit more careful out here. I think I got a mountain lion on my property. All right, so check this out. Look down here in this corner, right over here. I'll put an arrow up here, but you can see its eyes right there. I'll put an arrow up there too so you can see it, but it's moving right across this first house seat that I had set up. I'll drive down there in a little while and I'll show you where it's at. If you look over here in this corner, this right corner, you can see him moving through there. He must have been moving pretty fast because he's in and out of the screen pretty quick. But that is something big. Let me zoom in on it more. That ain't no fox. That is something very big right there. Now I have seen a fox back there, but it don't look that big. There he is right there. Pretty wild. I guess I need to be a little bit more careful at night. So I decided to deputize Biscuit and make her my lead investigator. We were going to go have a look. Need to let it get a little bit wet next time I see it come through. See if I can catch it. Game camera's right here. I didn't see any tracks. It's too dry right now. But we'll check back after the next rain. Check the game cams and see if we see any fresh tracks. Now my neighbor got this picture right here of this bear cutting across the property. It was coming from the left over here by this tree down through this ditch, and it cut across the road and up this hill on the other side of the property. But I'll zoom in on it. There it is. And that's one of the first ones they've seen out here in a long time. So they see some strange stuff out here at night. It could be the Beattyville Bigfoot. Who knows? Now this right here is a picture of an albino deer. And there's 3 more deer right there on the road. But they were cutting down through the holler there, and they usually cut up through this way. But I haven't seen this one yet, but it's out here. And there's some horses back here on the left up on that hill. But that's where that bear was coming down, was off this hill over here to the left, up there where that horse is. But there's an albino deer out here as well. I'll go ahead and put up the rest of the game cam pics that I shot. There's a coyote, bunch of deer, squirrels, raccoon, a few other things. And of course, you've already seen the mountain lion, but it'll be a few minutes of just game cam footage, so enjoy, sit back, relax, and check it out.